Hey there, financial adventurers, and welcome back to the Investing Iguana. I'm your ever-enthusiastic host, Iggy. Today, we're venturing into the enigmatic terrain of Singapore's property developer sales. We've seen some intriguing shifts in the market recently, and I'm here to guide you through this complex maze. Buckle up as we dive into what this sales dip could mean for you, spotlight some new launches, and explore the current market dynamics. Get ready for a roller coaster ride into the heart of Singapore's real estate market. First off, let's address the elephant in the room, the sales dip. The stats show a whopping 72.1% drop in new home sales in August 2023 compared to July. So, what's going on? Well, we didn't see any major project launches last month, and to top it off, the lunar 7th month kicked in, which many consider an inauspicious time to make big-ticket purchases. But here's the deal, low activity often signals an opportunity. When everyone else is on a buying hiatus, that might be your cue to start scouting. So tell me, what's your take on this? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. Now let's move on to new project launches, or should I say, the lack thereof. The exception to this trend is Altura, over at Bukit Batok West Avenue 8. This project sold a remarkable 62.5% of its units in the launch month alone. Imagine that. It's like suddenly having a new Marvel movie after 2 decades of no superhero action in Bukit Batok. The buzz is palpable, folks. If you're not looking into this, you probably should be. So, let me know, is Altura on your radar yet? Let's talk about market segments. Most of the sales last month happened in the outside of Central Region, OCR, comprising 48.7% of the transactions. That's right, the suburbs are rising. Now, why should you care? Because the suburbs usually offer more affordable pricing, which can translate into a higher return on investment for you. I'm telling you, there's gold in them hills, or should I say, in those residential blocks. Hit that like button if you're seeing the investment potential here. What about the luxury condos? I hear you asking. Well, it's been pretty quiet at the high end of the market. No new non-landed homes sold for more than 10 million Singapore dollar last month. But 7 new homes crossed the 5 million Singapore dollar mark. Here's the Iggy insight, luxury is always luxury, but it's not always liquid. If you've got the cash, now might be a great time to negotiate your way into some plush real estate. How about that? Let's peek into who's actually buying these properties. Last month, Singaporean purchases dipped from 88.7% to 80.4%, while purchases by Singapore permanent residents increased to 16.5%. What's happening here is a little shift in buyer dynamics, and that's something you might want to pay attention to. It could open up new avenues for investment, especially if you're keen to diversify. So, Singapore PRs are stepping up to the plate. Are you ready to swing? And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our whirlwind tour through the latest Singapore property developer sales update. What's the big takeaway here? Don't be fooled by the sales dip. In the world of real estate, a quieter market could very well mean more opportunities for you. So, if you're keen on getting into the property game or leveling up your existing investments, now could be the time. Before we part ways, if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of Singapore's real estate, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and share it with anyone you think could benefit. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This is Iggy, your host at the Investing Iguana, signing off. Keep investing, keep exploring, and until next time, take care.